Xilinx's Zynq UltraScale Plus MPSoC ZCU104 Evaluation Kit is a flexible prototyping platform for embedded vision applications, such as surveillance, ADAS, machine vision, AR, drones, and medical imaging. The evaluation kit is based on a Zynq UltraScale Plus XCZU7EV MPSoC that pairs programmable logic with a processing system based on a quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 application processor and a dual-core ARM Cortex-R5 real-time processor. The MPSoC includes a rich set of connectivity and peripherals, including multi-gigabit per second serial transceivers and an integrated video codec that supports H.264 and H.265. The kit includes a USB camera and the Xilinx Revision package, which provides an out-of-the-box SD-SoC software development flow with OpenCV libraries, machine learning framework, and live sensor support. The board also has an FMC port for hardware expansion.